Okay, what is so annoying to me about this snowstorm is how disproportionate it is. We don't have any snow all winter, and then we get this giant snowstorm. There's a giant pile of snow right here. Next to it, on the where it didn't drift, there's no snow at all. I can see the grass. It's just very disproportionate. And I've been working on digging my car out. I'm getting pretty close. I took a little break. So I'm back to it. Hopefully it'll be out soon. This is my mom's drift here. I gotta dig her car out too. It's really cold now. It's getting colder, so I thought I'd come out and finish that up. Alright, wish me luck.